Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to channel Gadget Pro. If you are into gadgets that make your life easier, you are going to want to stick around for this one. Today we are telling about the game changer device that's definitely going to shake up your daily routine. But the Rabbit R1 and AI powered pocket assistant. And trust me, you will want to know what this thing can do. So let's go. So first up, let's talk about the design. The Rabbit R1 is a super compact, almost like a mini smartphone. It's got a sleek futuristic look and it fit right in your pocket, so you can take it anywhere. It's small but don't let that fall. You this little guy packs come serious stick. Now let's get to what really makes the Rabbit R1 stand out. It's AI. This is no ordinary device. With AI built in, Rabbit R1 helps automatic tasks that will usually need a full-size phone or even a laptop for. Whether it's setting reminder, making calls or even handing emails, it can do it all. What even cooler is that it learns from you. The more you use, the smarter it gets. It recognizes patterns in your day-to-day activities and then spends favor things for you to manage manually. Think of it like having a personal assistant in your pocket, but why more efficient and always available? Now I know what you were thinking is, does it actually work well? Honestly, yes. Voice recognition is spot on and it reacts fast. It handles multiple tasks at once without lag or hesitation. Whether you are on the go or at home, it integrates smoothly into your routine. To repeat, if you are looking for a device can simplify your day with AI driven, taking the palm of your hand. The Rabbit R1 is definitely worth checking out. It's compact, powerful, and enough to keep with our busy life. If you want to get your hands on one, I will leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video and don't forget to like, comment, and if you want to more gadget video to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest gadget videos.